mess with their drone.
What? There he is. It's 29J.
What is that?
Just a daily intermodal. Wow. Just your regular standard 44 C6M. Dude, the amount of time we had a meet up here, we had that NS, then we had that CSS go flying past him. That was awesome.
I don't know about you, but I think I want to go.
The meeting. You actually notice how you can have a yellow plane.
Here. Going to Fort Lauderdale.
Is that where they go?
That's just where,
Turning that way.
that's just where it was. It said it was going to go. And then I think there's a Delta going to Atlanta right after it. But there were 3 lobbies down there. You have to lobby down the taxiway or whatever before you, and then they all sit in a line pretty far.
You
I
have
want to
fun?
be on a plane before, right?
You have fun?
Yeah. Yeah.
Also, ore trains, like,
I wonder if they have a radio too.
I think they would.
Yeah, I would assume, but I don't know.
Double stacked. Holy crap. Dude, you gotta have a huge dump one.
Oh, I didn't hear.
There goes Delta.
I thought the same thing.